Hi, I'm Som. I just started using the Waterman Grow Me shampoo. Here it is. It's been a month along with the conditioner that I use, and I'm using it 5 to 6 days in a week, and I can see a significant improvement. I had a bald patch here on the right hand side and also on the left hand side. I see my hair growing in thickness, and also the bald patch is improving. So that is something that I never expected to happen so soon. I was quite skeptical while buying these two products, and also a number of reviews that I saw. I was not very convinced that this might help me because this bald patches has been there for since a few years, and it's amazing. I'm going to buy this from now on. My wife has also started using, and she's also recommending it for the thickness that she has seen in her hair growth. This is a highly recommended product. I think it is magical that they have come up something like this. Can't praise high enough. I hope there are no other side ramifications of it. As of now, there is nothing that I have seen except that my hair grows um, quite faster than it used to, and it looks more fuller, brighter, it's shining, and I'm extremely happy with this product. I'm going to order my next lot. Thank you. Thank you, Watermans, for creating such a product for people like us. Best wishes.